Why is sneezing
The most dramatic
experience of my life? Like, I feel it. It's there. My soul leaves my body for 0.2 seconds. I'm sitting there like, okay, it's coming. This is it. I look at the light. I do the
weird nose wiggle.
I freeze in position like a paused NPC. Everyone around me is waiting. I've already made the pre-sneeze face. You know the one that...
Face.
And then it just disappears. Excuse me? Now I look stupid. My eyes are watering. My nose is confused. My brain is buffering. And someone has the audacity to say, bless you. For what? For the sneeze that never spawned? And the worst part? 5 minutes later, it comes back. Stronger, angrier, personal, like it went to the gym. Sneezes are just jump scares with trust issues.